tonight, 7 cool kid, Tristan Sorrell here. Doing a bike check. Made one a while ago, but I got some new parts. Left out some things. So first thing, I got a premium Aurora frame, signature frame by Dan Foley. It's really nice so far. I've loved it. Don't buy Haro. It cracked in half. Anyways, I got my Assault front rim. I don't have money for a front rim. I mean, it's okay. Nothing wrong with it. Almost just hit you. Back rim, Eastern birectional. Right hand drive. Gonna switch it to left because I grind on the right. I'm tired of breaking chains. Yeah. Anyways, what else did I get? Anyways, bars, Shadow. Stolen cell bars, 8.25 rise, 25 width. Okay, so Shadow Conspiracy headset. It's integrated, whatever. Got stolen connect stem with a Haro bolt. It's a nice stem. I got We the People forks, grenade sticker on it, colony sticker on the other side. Tires, I'm rocking FIF teal wall 220 by 2.10 on both. I need bigger tires. They squeak, so if you want squeaky tires, buy these because they're awesome. Seat, I have a We the People seat. I need another one because I don't really like this one. So cranks, I have stolen V3. I think they're V3, right? Yeah, the V3 team. They're on dance comp, but I got them. Anyways, they're like 48 spline or something. I don't remember. I got a new sprocket. It's a Shadow Conspiracy Scream sprocket. I love it so far. It looks sick. I got a new bottom bracket. The column bottom bracket. Hasn't given me any problems yet. Chain, Shadow Conspiracy, just normal chain. I don't have the money for a half link because I'll probably break it eventually anyways. But yeah. Pedals, they're eclait pedals. If you watch my other video, my ODS, my Twisted PCs broke, so I had to buy these off my friend. Gonna get Twisted PCs again, but I mean, they're not bad. It's whatever. Oh yeah, grips. I have ODIs, they're the same ones. My good luck charm, don't touch it, I'll get mad at you. Probably punch you, because it's mine, don't mess with it. And someone actually started to rip it, so that's actually really upsetting. So don't touch it. Pegs are just Odyssey pegs, I think. I don't even know, to be completely honest with you. Seat post, I think it's also an Odyssey seat post. Pivotal. What am I forgetting? Bar ends are just ODI. This one broke. Alright, yeah, so that's everything on my bike.
Call the cops, got mad motherfucking marijuana crops, got lime trees and lemon trees, got 20, 30 bitches down.